Hey everybody, David Horowitz from Retrium here. If you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe, share with your friends, comment on them. We're just trying to help people run better retros, and the more you share, the better off everyone is. Today I want to talk about what to do when you aren't talking about critical topics in your retrospectives. So many of us end up running these retrospectives that talk about the surface issues, the things that are easy to talk about, when the real value to a retro comes when people feel comfortable talking about the critical issues that the team is really needing to discuss. One of my good friends in the industry, Esther Derby, said recently, and I love this, she said, psychological safety is not that you feel comfortable all the time. Psychological safety is that you feel comfortable talking about what makes you uncomfortable. Who are the people that you feel most comfortable talking about anything and everything with? It's likely your mom and dad, or your best friend, or maybe your spouse. It's the people we trust the most that we feel comfortable being vulnerable with to talk about the things that are really important to us. And at work, if we're expecting our retrospectives to lead to real change, then it's important to build the relationships with our teammates such that we feel enough trust to be vulnerable with them too. So that battle starts before the retrospective even starts. You can't build psychological safety in the retrospective. It's something you have to work on before the retrospective. So spending time playing silly board games together, going out to dinners together, opening up about the mistakes that you're making so that you know and everyone knows it's okay to make mistakes. And that's how we learn and grow together as a team. All of these things are really critical in making sure that the retrospective, and more importantly, our team in general, are more effective. So spend time before the retro starts building that psychological safety and trust, and you'll find it much easier to talk about the critical, difficult topics in the retrospective. Thanks very much, everybody. I hope this helped. Again, please share if it did. I'll see you next time.